my name is Margie Casey, and if you're looking for an oceanfront home on Duck Key, welcome to 258 West Seaview Circle, a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with perhaps the best view on the entire island. Whether you enjoy morning sunrises or you want a sunset, this home has both. You could get lost upstairs here, enjoying this beautiful upper level of the home with soft cream marble, a wood-burning fireplace with coral stone from the floor to keys. The master suite is up here. Everything that you would want to do and consume the entire day. You would never want to leave. By the way, there is an elevator too. Many of us know that the kitchen is one of the most important features of a home, and this kitchen delivers with French country cabinets, Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerators, and plenty of room to entertain and cook with your family. I would love to cook in this kitchen. Do you have your bathing suit on? Because if you don't, you should run and get it, because coming into this backyard and seeing this pool is extraordinary. Not only does it have a wide and spacious pool, but there's also a lap pool on the left side. It's not every day that you find an open water home with a protected breakwater in front of it, which is amazing because just on the other side is the secret Duck Key sandbar. This home has 112 feet on the water, plenty of room for multiple boats. There's also a kayak launch. Whether you paddleboard, kayak, or whatever you like to do out in the sea, fish, this home has it. You won't find anywhere else like it. My name is Margie Casey with Duck Key Realty. Call me now for your private showing at 305-783-3395.